Can't find stickers that match your aesthetic? First of all, same. And also, let me show you how to make your own. You're going to need some tape, paper, a tear-off paper palette, some fine liners or pens of some kind, markers, and some scissors. Start by drawing a few simple characters. Make them pretty basic and cute, or try some fine line designs. It's completely up to you. I started by drawing a cute little bear holding an apple. Once you're happy with the pencil outline, go back over it with your fine liner or pen so that it has a bold black outline. Erase the pencil and then go in with your colors. I used some pretty pale colors for the accents of my bear and then a warm brown for the body. Finish off all the little details like this little apple leaf and then move on to your other characters. There's really no limit to what you can make into a sticker as long as it suits your style. I went with some olives, a bee, an alien face, a rain frog, you name it. Once all your characters are ready to go, it's time to cut them out. Now you can either cut around them precisely or leave a white border around them. It just creates a different look depending on what you're going for. I did a little bit of both so I could mix and match. Once they're all cut out, it's time to set up your sticker station. So grab a tear-off paper palette and create lines of tape across it. Then place your little designs down on top of the tape so that they're not touching and have a little bit of space around each one. Then you're going to layer tape again over the top. This creates a layer of tape on top and beneath your little sticker creations. If you make some stickers, please send us some photos on our socials by hashtagging MaltMartArt or tagging us at MaltMartArt, because we would love to see the different designs that you come up with. Next, cut out your designs again. This time, definitely leave a bit of a border around them because you want the tape to go beyond your design so it sticks onto the surface you're applying them to. If you want to make and create your own stickers, head to our website and explore markers, paper pads, tear-off paper palettes, and everything you need to make these at home. Lastly, you peel off the back. This can be a little bit tricky, just hold on to the different pieces of tape so that they stay together, and then peel off the tear-off paper palette backing. Then it's time to decorate. I went and stuck my designs onto a notebook and my laptop, a water bottle, and you can really put it anywhere that a regular sticker would stick to. Thanks for joining us and happy creating!